Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer XRP from Coinbase to MetaMask. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will open your official MetaMask website, and of course you do have to make sure that you already have your extension installed if you're using the desktop if you're using your desktop. And once it's all set up, what you will have to do is you will just have to click this button right here, which is under your tokens. So just click this drop down menu, and what you will have to do is you will look for XRP. So you could just enter the network name and the default RPC URL and all these stuffs if it's visible, or if it's available for you, or if XRP is available here. You will just have to basically just click that and then just choose that like this. And what you will do is you will click your receive button here, and you will look for XRP if you already have it. So once you copy your XRP wallet address like this, so basically you will see this button right here if you do have your XRP network. So after you've copied your XRP wallet address, you will go to your Coinbase, and of course, you do have to make sure that you already have your account. And once you sign into your Coinbase, you will just have to select XRP, and then you will click send, and then you will paste the MetaMask address, and then you will double check first and last four characters. And of course, you will enter the amount and review network fees, and then you will just have to tap send and complete the 2FA verification. And you will just have to wait for confirmation, and then after all that, you will just have to check your MetaMask. And by the way, you do have to double check addresses and network compatibility, and XRP will appear once confirmed. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.